Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video. I ran a poll earlier in the week asking you if you wanted a weekly roundup of jobs that I chose not to share during the week. So that is what we are doing today. During the week, when I am searching the internet, looking for work from home jobs, I'm always thinking about all the comments that are left and what you are looking for. And so I only try to share the best ones that is a fit for the majority of you. And I often end up with a Word document with links to a lot of jobs that I found that I chose not to share for whatever reason. A lot of people are not looking for customer service. Most people are looking for non-phone or whatever have you. For whatever reason, I did not share these in individual videos. And then each week, as I sit down and drink my coffee, I start my new weekly jobs list and new job search so that I'm not sharing old, outdated information with you. And so I just thought it'd be cool to share a weekly roundup of all the jobs that I chose not to share during the past week that are still actively hiring. I did try to get a little bit of something for everyone in here. The first 3 jobs are hiring worldwide, so those will be for my international subscribers. After the first 3, everything else is going to be US only based. As always, the links to all of these jobs that I share will be down in the description below. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I am simply sharing what I find online. And with that being said, sharing is always caring. So if you enjoy any of these job lead videos or if they are helpful to you, please don't forget to give me the thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful. And also don't forget to share with your friends and family members so we can all be working from home, living our happiest, healthy, best lives. But let's just dive on in because there are 15 jobs in this video and it is just a weekly roundup. I'm going to go through these quicker than I normally do, just highlighting the main parts. If anything interests you, feel free to click the link for it in the description below and check out the additional details. I am pretty sure I have them in order. So first up, this one is hiring worldwide. It is the company Pocket Worlds, and they are hiring a LiveOps specialist. A little bit about a LiveOps specialist. It's for online communities and gamers. And so they're looking for someone to join their team to help set up and monitor aggressive daily calendar and content of engagement releases and work closely with the LiveOps team to establish weekly events, coordinate and support content creation, and organize their testing efforts. You need at least 1 year experience in managing product or content deadlines, 1 year experience designing games, events, or product features, and an excellent English writer. They are also willing to train. It says within 3 months you'll learn how to set up all the events and live content in Highrise and contribute to the LiveOps ideas and product features. Now, they do offer benefits including a home office stipend, and if you haven't worked remotely before, it says they offer a generous stipend at that to help you set up a productive workspace. They do not list the salary, but it says they are competitive. This one is, again, I believe, is an Australian-based company called 8 Clients, but they are hiring worldwide, anywhere within the world, for a Facebook ads manager. So they are looking for someone to oversee their Facebook advertising for their clients and knows heaps of cool stuff about advertising and preparing reports for the clients. It says you can work from anywhere in the world. You will get to work with creative people. The salary range for this role is between 50,000 PHP to 90,000 PHP per month, depending on experience. You will have to convert that to your own currency for the country that you live in. They provide 4 weeks of paid vacation, and they also say their employees are entitled to an extra 20,000 PHP per month to spend on whatever you like in relation to supporting your well-being. So workout gear, mental health, all of that, they are paying for wellness. This next one is also for worldwide, and so any country can apply. It is for a freelance website copywriter. And so you are working as a freelance 1099 contractor in this position. And so this is not a full-time job. You'll be writing web copy and optimizing reports. They are looking for someone that can complete at least 3 web copy orders per week when the quota is turned on. It does not say specifically what topics you will be writing on, but it does say you can work wherever you want. There's plenty of work to go around, so there's no cap on what you can write, and it says no need to hustle for the clients or chase payments. They do have their payment structure broke down. They pay per word, so if you write a 150-word article, it's $7.50. If you write a 300-word article, it's $15, and so forth. They pay their writers via PayPal every Monday. They do ask that you have a previous writing experience and that you can speak and write in English. Moving right along, for my United States-based folks, this is where the rest of the jobs in this video are US only. The company Advoc8 is hiring a customer service associate. This is a part-time position. They're looking for someone to troubleshoot tickets and execute solutions promptly within their set service level agreement, work with carriers resolving delivery and customs issues, process changes and refunds and cancellations. So they are really looking for someone who has 2 years experience in customer service, especially with e-commerce or brand merchandising, someone who is a rock star under pressure and has the ability to multitask. This is a part-time position. They want someone to work 20 to 30 hours a week, and they are paying $20 per hour. Next up is a little bit different. It is not phone-based. If you've ever heard of the company, the website, and the app NerdWallet, it is a financial website where you get financial news. They also have an app. They are hiring a video content creator. If you're based out of San Francisco, they have an office. Otherwise, it is remote based in the United States. They are looking for someone who can develop a deep understanding of their values and personality and identify and craft video talking points for audience-related personal finance topics and trending news stories. So you'll work with internal partners to manage the video content creator calendar and set a social media strategy. So they're really looking for someone who's passionate about helping others, especially in the finance field. You need to be engaging, clear, and actionable. You need to be a strong communicator, and you need to be comfortable working in a fast-paced environment. It says if you have experience appearing on camera in videos such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, TV, or a personal blog, that is a plus for you. And they also offer a wide variety of benefits. Now, this next one is very state specific. This is specifically for my folks living in Colorado. So if you don't live in Colorado, you can just skip to the next job lead. But Verizon is hiring a remote customer service representative. This is a primarily evenings and weekends with occasional holidays. So this is for my folks looking for nighttime, evening, weekends. They do require you to have a high school diploma and at least 1 or more years of customer service, but they're looking for someone just to answer their phones and participate in any customer service activities that they need. They are giving a monthly monetary stipend for internet service, so they'll pay for your internet. They provide computer equipment. They also provide a desk and chair options after you complete training. So they will pay after you complete the training for your full work from home setup, including a desk and chair, which is very, very nice. And of course, for Colorado, they are paying $18 to $19 an hour. Next up, this one was a little bit different too. UPS is hiring a customs brokerage rep. They are looking specifically for someone to work Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. So this is a second shift kind of afternoon evenings, and it is remote. Now, I've never seen UPS hire remote before. Maybe I just haven't looked hard enough, but I do know people who work in the field with UPS always say that they pay well and their benefits are great. So that's why I decided to include this. So you will be working in lead capacity by providing guidance to other employees. Duties include, but are not limited to, preparation of custom entries, following freight to designated locations. It may involve interface with international and domestic carriers. You'll be preparing custom entries and following up with the clearance processes. So it seems like you'll just be following up and making sure that packages do clear customs and get on a UPS truck for delivery. They're looking for someone who has at least 3 years of customer service, general office, or data entry experience, 6 months position lock, high school diploma or equivalent, and proficient in Microsoft Office. Next up, we have the company Health Sherpa hiring a payroll and benefits specialist. So they're looking for someone to own the payroll process and benefits administration for their growing team. So this is like an HR position. You will manage the end-to-end payroll process. You'll administer their benefits and 401k plans, and you'll manage compliant processes such as W-2s and reporting. They're looking for someone who has 3 years of experience in administering payroll or benefits, and someone who has experience working with large companies. It does say they are a remote-first company that offers a great benefit package and 4 weeks of paid vacation. Next up, I believe I have featured Sharebite before. I do have 2 links to 2 different job postings and their Glassdoor page, all linked down below in the description. They are hiring both for evenings and for overnight for the same position. They are hiring a customer experience associate. And so Sharebite is a food delivery platform. And so they're looking for someone to work from home, working directly with customers to answer questions and resolve problems. You'll utilize email and phone calls to provide white glove service in a timely manner and ensure that the customer success operations and procedures are met. So they're looking for someone who has great communication skills, problem-solving skills, all the above. This first one is linked as the evening hours, and so that is hours of 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The next one that is linked says it has the same job title, but it says overnight rather than evening. And so the hours for this one are 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is a typical third shift position for the overnight hours. And then this one looks more part-time with the 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. for the evening hours. This next one is for anyone who doesn't like phone work. The company Just Answer is hiring a communications specialist writer. So they are looking for an experienced writer who can bring life to their stories across all their channels. As a part of the team, you'll be a leader and help drive growth for Just Answer. So you will basically be writing web copy for them. It requires writing in a certain writing style with correct grammar and punctuation. They are looking for someone who has great communication skills and someone who's an exceptional writer and has some marketing background. Now, while they do not list the salary for this position, they have some great perks and benefits, including $75 a month remote work stipend. You can use this to pay your internet service or buy office supplies. They do give you a $30 a month wellness stipend, so if you want to pay your gym membership with that, and $200 a year for any registration fees for fitness events, races, and marathons. So they are a very wellness focused company. Next up, this one is for you if you have any background in social work or any kind of social work licensing. The Susan G. Komen Foundation is hiring a remote specialist for their breast care helpline. And so they are looking for someone who can use a social work model to provide high quality psychosocial support education on a variety of breast cancer topics and information and resources via phone calls, email, chat, and text to anyone with questions or concerns about breast cancer, not only including patients, but also survivors and their families. So they really need someone who has a minimum of 2 years experience in counseling, social work, case management, or ideally in a call center environment, someone who can clearly speak, an excellent oral and written communication, and someone who can also be an active listener. Now, I had this next one marked for evening and night hours, but then I couldn't find it in the job listing, so I don't know where I got that from unless I am just going crazy right now and not reading correctly, but the discount grocery store Lidl is hiring a remote junior customer care specialist. And so what you would be doing is resolving the Lidl US customer issues regarding products or in-store experiences. You'll open, monitor, and close customer cases in their electronic customer management system. You'll greet the customers warmly, and you'll provide any feedback to management as necessary. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or a GED and at least 1 year experience in customer service or call center environment. Now, while pay is not listed, it does say that they do offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, and paid time off. This next one is a little bit different. The motorcycle company Harley Davidson is also hiring a remote customer service representative. Part of the job responsibilities are to perform timely data entry into various HR, payroll, or other time attendance, ensuring that it is complete and meets the deadlines. You'll consistently complete tasks on time without error, and you'll assist with development and maintenance of user documentation. So this is more of a customer service representative on the HR side, working with the administrative and data records team. They do prefer someone who has a bachelor's degree, but it says preferred, not required. And if you have a bachelor's degree, if it is in human resources or business administration, that is a plus. But what is required is a minimum of 3 years of related experience and at least 1 year experience in some kind of human resources field. Again, they do not list their pay, but they do say that they include a full benefits package, including health insurance benefits and a 401k. Next up, the home goods store Williams-Sonoma is hiring a customer care representative. This is full-time work from home. They do offer quite a bit of benefits, including monthly performance bonuses of $500 a month. They said that they also have fun contests and rewards programs. Pay for this is listed at $15 an hour. They are looking for someone to solve problems quickly, listen carefully to their customers, and address any customer concerns. They need someone who has a high school diploma or GED with 1 to 2 years of customer service experience. Now, they do not supply any equipment. They do say that you have to have your own desktop or laptop. And last but not least, we have the company VRI. They're in the emergency response systems industry. They are hiring for second shift, so this is afternoon, evenings, call center representative. They are paying between $16 and $17 an hour. They're looking for someone to learn material and pass required tests, monitor high volume of medical alert, secondary alarms, and inbound phone calls with genuine concern. When you receive alarm system calls or incoming telephone calls regarding emergency and non-emergency police and fire services, you are going to take the information and dispatch those to the correct departments. They do require a high school diploma or a GED and the ability to work flexible hours when overtime is needed. Now, they do include some cool benefits. They say like Amazon Prime membership, student loan repayment, and more. So I don't know if they pay fully for a free Amazon Prime membership or if that is a discount model. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please leave down in the comments below if you liked this format where I give you a weekly recap of all the jobs that I chose not to share. I feel this just gives you more options if anything I shared during the week was not a good fit for you. And with that being said, I am off to start my new list of job leads for you for the next week. So have no fear. I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.